Welcome to Rise Up Today channel. We are excited to have you join us on this journey as we share our passion and knowledge with you. Our channel is dedicated to providing entertaining and informative content on a variety of topics, ranging from technology and science to motivation and lifestyle. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and is widely known for its numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Here are some of the benefits of meditation. Reduced stress. Meditation can help to reduce stress levels by slowing down the production of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Improved focus. Regular meditation can improve your ability to concentrate and focus on tasks for longer periods of time. Reduced anxiety and depression. Meditation can help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by regulating the production of mood-related neurotransmitters in the brain. Improved sleep. Meditation can help to improve the quality of your sleep by reducing stress and anxiety levels. Lowered blood pressure. Regular meditation practice has been linked to lower blood pressure, which can help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Increased self-awareness. Meditation can help you to become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, allowing you to better understand yourself and make positive changes. Boosted immune system. Meditation has been shown to boost the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies that help to fight off infections. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Meditation has been shown to reduce inflammation levels in the body. Increased feelings of happiness. Regular meditation practice can help to increase feelings of happiness and well-being by reducing stress and anxiety levels. Overall, meditation is a powerful tool that can help to improve physical, mental, and emotional health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Make sure you hit the like button.